let's say suppose here you have to find out if the code is given. If the code is given, find the symbol. Will you be able to find out? See this, what was happening. I have find the code of the company when symbol is given. So symbol is Tata Motors and you are finding something which is on the right side. Okay, so you have selected this range, assuming, or let's say you have selected this entire range. You are searching for Tata Motors here and you are producing this as the output. What if I have given you, okay, find the code of the company, find the name of the company whose code is this, INE012A01025. And the symbol of that is ACC. Will you be able to use VLOOKUP? Okay. So let's see, you may be thinking I will use VLOOKUP. Let's see, assuming we put it here and we say VLOOKUP. This is the lookup value where you are going to search. Okay, this is the thing to be searched, column. But then this is a search. What you want is D. But when you go left side, what will happen? What will happen? See the table, what has happened? It has become D2 to E44. That means this has become the first column. So even though we selected this and then we selected this, in the Excel parlance, it will still be D2 to E44. So the search will happen of this on D column and not on E column. So this is the problem with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is only useful if the table value to be given is after the first column. So if this is the first column, if you want this as the output. But if the value to be searched is this and the outcome is to the left of that column, it cannot be done. Okay. And that is where I told you that we can bring match and index. Okay. So what is the disadvantage of VLOOKUP? Disadvantage of VLOOKUP is you cannot use VLOOKUP to get a value which is on the left column of the column on which the value have to be found. Okay. For that, what we do is we use match and index. So I'll show you this match and index.